Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. This video is a tutorial on Clickup project management. In this video, we'll talk all about Clickup, the different pricing and membership plans. We'll show you the sign up and account setup process and take you through the dashboard. We will do a quick walkthrough of the interface and we will show you how to create projects, tasks, to-dos, and checklists as well. There's a lot going on in this video, so make sure you're sticking till the end. Let's begin. Who can use ClickUp? Well, if you're someone who has different hustles going on at the same time, if you're someone who has a lot of tasks to manage, if you're a project manager who is a part of different projects and you're handling a lot of tasks for yourself as well for your team, ClickUp will be good for you. If you're someone whose job involves a lot of documents and you need to keep a track of all these documents, then ClickUp is for you. If you're someone who has a side hustle, like say you're a YouTuber, plus you have a main job as well, and you also take care of your home and other needs, then ClickUp is for you because you can set up different workspaces under one platform, and under each workspace, you can assign tasks for yourself or your team members and keep a track of it using the time tracker feature as well. That's a brief introduction to what ClickUp is. Now let's look at the pricing and membership plans. Click on the pricing tab at the top navigation bar and you will be taken to this page where you can see there are two views. First is the yearly view and the monthly view. Below are the plans for ClickUp. The first one is the free plan. Then there is the unlimited plan, business plus plan, and the enterprise plan. As I said, toggling between these two views will show you the different prices. And obviously the monthly plans are a bit higher than the yearly plans. This is a demonstration video, so we are going ahead with the free forever plan. Let's take you through the sign up process and account setup process. First, click on this button, give in your email address and hit the Get ClickUp button. Give in your name here, put in a password. Tick this box if you want to receive emails by ClickUp. Tick this box if you agree to their terms of service and privacy policy, and then click the Play with ClickUp button. A verification code is sent to your email, and go to your email, check it, and enter the code over here. And then comes the account setup process. Click on Let's Do It. Give your workspace a name over here. We're going to type in Event Management and then click on the Next button. Customize your workspace by giving it an image which you can drop from your system or else just browse from your system, or else just choose a color. I'm going ahead and choosing a color. Then click on I'm happy so far. Then you can choose a theme as well. I'm going to go with the same color and click on I'm happy so far. Then there are a series of questions. Just answer them. First is how many people will you be working with? I'm going to select 2 to 5. How do you want to start using ClickUp? There are various options over here. Since my use is project management, I'm going ahead and selecting that and then click on the next button. You can skip this or choose anyone. I'm going to skip. You can invite your team members. I am going to do this because I want to demonstrate how you can assign tasks for different people in your team. Click on Enter to add one more. Click on Enter to add again and then hit the I'm done button. If you're using any of these apps, click on them and they will be added. Then click on I'm good. Again, if you're using any of these tools, choose them. If not, click on No thanks. And that's it. Let's go ahead to our dashboard by clicking the Play with ClickUp button. So this is how your dashboard will look like. It says space over here. It should have said event management. That's probably a bug. We'll do the setup again. So it shows here a status that is 20% complete because we're just getting started. First, let's create a workspace. So basically, this is your hierarchy. So first you need to create a workspace. Then you need to create a space under that workspace. Then you can add tasks. Basically, you can set up projects under that space and add tasks, add a custom field, and invite your team members. Let's close this little box right now and rename the space. For that, you can go to this little space over here and then click the 3 dots and click on Rename. Click the Save button after entering your space's name. And you can see it has appeared over here as well as over here. Now let's do a quick walkthrough of this interface. In the left sidebar, there are many tabs. You can use the search bar to search for any task if you're managing a lot of different workspaces, different people, and different tasks. You can click on the home button to go and get an overview of what's happening today, what's trending. Since we've not added anything, it's empty here. The notifications tab will show you all your alerts and notifications. If you click on show more, there is the pulse tab. Pulse is ClickUp's feature to track remotely working people. You can go through this video to know more about it. And once you have remotely working people, you can track their progress. Next is the goals tab, where if you have set in any goals, then it'll show here. Then comes the favorites tab. If you have marked any task or project as favorites, it'll appear over here. Then comes the spaces tab, where we have just event management because that's what we have created. Then there's the dashboards. I have not created any particular dashboard for this space, so it's empty here. Then there is docs. If you have shared any docs over here or you want to share, you can just click here on this add new button. All the documents you have shared here will be shown over here. At the bottom of this left sidebar, there are a few options. First is the upgrade option. Then you can click on this button invite to invite people. Then if you click on this little arrow, a box will open that will show you your different spaces. And then this is the main profile where you can see your name, then my settings, notifications, layout size and style, apps, rewards, logout, help, hotkeys, and dark mode. Now let's go ahead and see what you can do under a space. So if you click on space, there are 3 dots over here, which shows you a couple of settings. Now let's go ahead and add a list under event management. I'm going to use this as buying list. Hit the create list button and it will get created under event management. Now under this buying list, you can see that there is a to do. If you click over here, you can add a task name. You can add make a list. Okay, and then just click the save button. There are other options here as well. You can add tags. You can assign this task to someone by clicking this button and set a due date, also set a priority. For now, we're just going ahead and clicking on save. So under this, we have the make list. Let's click on this and see what are the options. When you click a list, it'll open a window. I'm going to add a short description here, create a list of necessities. Now, if you want to add, you can add 2 things. One is subtask and checklist. I'm going to add a checklist because this is a list. And I'm going to make a list just to start the task. So the first thing is carpets. Hit the enter button and you will get the space to add more. Then there is tables, chairs, etc. So this is just for starting. And I will allow the person I've assigned this task to create more in this. So your checklist has started over here. It has come as 3 subtasks. So what I've done is basically I've created subtasks. You can go ahead and use the checklist option as well. So I'm going to create a checklist for these 3 things so that the person can check it off once it is done. Carpets, tables, chairs. If you want to attach anything, you can click this button add and you've got several options, or you can just drag and drop files over here. And that's it about the features within the task window. If you close it, you can see that this has been updated with 3 subtasks. If you click on it, it'll open the window. If you click on the subtasks, it'll show you the subtasks. You can rearrange this order by simply moving them, dragging them here and there. Now you can see that somebody has been assigned for making a list. You have not put a due date, so it is empty over here, but you can do that. And also a priority is set. So that was how you can create a space, and under a space, you can create tasks and subtasks and assign people. Basically, this is how you can use ClickUp for managing your projects. We truly hope this video has benefited you. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. If there's any topic that you'd like a video similar to this, then let us know that as well in the comment section below. We'll catch you soon in our next video. Till then, stay tuned and stay subscribed.